Hey, Anna.
Hey, John. Good to see you.
You too. Out for a walk with your dog Bella again?
Yes, she loves the park. She gets so happy here.
She looks full of energy today.
She is. She's just chased a butterfly for 5 minutes.
That's cute. So, how was your day?
Pretty good. We had a fun class today.
What did you do?
We practiced describing people, how they look, and what they're like.
That's a useful topic. I bet your classmates are interesting.
Yes, very different people. There's Maya. She always wears bright clothes and big earrings.
Sounds like a fun person.
Yes, she's very outgoing, always smiling, always talking.
I can picture her. Anyone else?
There's also Tom. He's the opposite. Very quiet.
Is he shy?
Yes, a bit, but he's smart. He listens carefully and helps others.
That's nice. I like people like that, calm and kind.
Exactly. And we have Priya. She's friendly but serious.
What does she look like?
She's medium height, has long black hair, and wears glasses. She's always neat and professional.
Sounds like she's very organized.
Yes, she always brings a notebook and colored pens.
What about your teacher?
She's great. Her name is Laura. She's tall, has short blonde hair, and wears stylish shoes.
Stylish teachers are rare.
Yes, definitely. She's very expressive. She uses her hands a lot when she talks.
That should make the class more interesting.
Totally. What about your coworkers? What are they like?
Let's see. My manager is Mark. He's about 50. He wears glasses, has gray hair, and always looks serious.
Is he strict?
Sometimes, but he's also helpful. He knows a lot about books.
That's good.
Then there's Claire. She's young and very friendly.
What does she look like?
She has curly brown hair and always wears colorful scarves. She laughs a lot.
She sounds fun.
Yeah, she keeps the mood light in the store. And there's Sam. He's very quiet.
Another quiet one?
Yes, he's tall and thin with short dark hair. He likes to work in the back, not talk much.
I know a few people like that. They work better alone.
Exactly. Hey, do you know your neighbors well?
Some of them. There's a couple who live across from me, an old man and a woman.
What are they like?
Very sweet. They're small with white hair. They sit outside every morning and drink tea.
That's so cute.
Yes, they always wave and smile. The man tells jokes sometimes, funny ones.
I'd like to meet them.
Then there's a guy next door who plays loud music.
Oh,
Yeah, he's young, maybe 25, with long hair and a beard. He wears sunglasses all the time.
sounds like a musician.
Maybe. I've never asked.
And what about your family? Do you look like anyone?
People say I look like my mom.
Really?
Yes, we both have brown hair, green eyes, and a small nose.
Do you have siblings?
One older brother. He's tall and has dark hair. We're very different.
What's he like?
He's funny, very active, always doing something. He loves sports.
So he's sporty and energetic?
Yes, he plays basketball and rides his bike everywhere.
That's great. I have a sister.
What's she like?
She's very talkative, always has a story to tell.
Sounds like she's fun at parties.
Oh, yes, she makes friends quickly. She has short black hair and always wears earrings.
I like how everyone has their own style.
Me too. Some people wear bright colors, others just black.
I think I wear the same clothes all the time.
No way. You always look nice and comfortable.
Thanks. That's the goal. You dress simple but stylish.
Thanks. I try to keep it simple.
It works.
So, who's the funniest person you know?
Hmm. Probably my cousin Leo.
What is he like?
Tall, big smile, always joking. He does impressions of people.
That's talent.
Yeah, he makes everyone laugh.
I think the funniest person I know is my friend Mike. He's always making silly faces and voices.
I love people like that. They bring good energy.
Totally. Hey, do you ever notice how people walk?
Yes, some people walk fast and some walk slowly.
Exactly. My neighbor walks like he's late all the time.
Mine walks like he's in a movie, slow and cool.
That's amazing. It's fun to notice these small things.
Yes, everyone is unique in how they look and move and speak.
That's what makes learning English fun too. You can describe people in so many ways.
That's true. It helps in real life too, meeting new people, remembering them.
Right. Do you want to practice again tomorrow?
Sure.
Great. See you at the same time?
Yes. Thanks for the chat.
Thank you. Always a pleasure.
Bye, John.
Bye, Anna. Wow, this was a great conversation.
Yes, it was. If you want to practice more real life English, subscribe to the channel. And let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.